So they got really, really hot. Oh no! Oh no! And look at them. Just Mickey, Donald, and Goofy. The dog, Donald the duck, Donald the duck, and starting to show Mickey Mouse. Oh no! He got surrounded by a dog. They all screamed. They all got out of the pool. Stay out of the pool. Ran away. But Goofy got a goof. Poor Donald. Oh, he's going to mix up this one. Oh, water. Oh, bubbles. And that's a color wash. He needs an airplane to get warm. Oh, did I get the skeletons? Let's go put this on our cartoons. Oh, poor Mickey. Oh, they died. Oh. Oh, cream pie. Oh, Goofy and the popsicles. Icicles. No, it's a icicle. Oh, I know this one. I'm Walt Disney. Oh, they are the crash. What's happening? Oh, there's no one driving. Except that. There. Oh, a Goofy holler. Oh, they all got water. Oh, no. Oh, I never seen that. Oh, they all got ice creams. I think I'll make a lot of them. Oh, one thing. This is the golf.